Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get free Manus AI credits. First, create a new Manus AI account using your email or Google. Now, accounts usually get free starter credits automatically. Next, log in every day. Manus AI often gives daily free credits to regular users. These credits refresh automatically, but there may be a monthly usage limit. You can also invite friends to join Manus AI. When they sign up and start using the platform, both you and your friend earn bonus credits. You can repeat these multiple times to accumulate more credits. Occasionally, Manus AI offers extra credits for joining beta tests or early access programs, which for notifications in your account or email to take advantage of these opportunities. Manus AI also runs limited time events, giveaways, and campaigns. Participating in these events can earn you extra credits. Finally, Manus AI sometimes distributes promo codes that grant bonus credits. Make sure the code is official and valid because expired codes will not work. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.